He became so weak sometimes that I even suspected that he has become a coward, because he started talking about his death behind the funeral procession of ideas. A horse cart gallops away with a coffin drips in blood. The funeral is postponed. It is death for keeping his landlord waiting. When we thought that is finished about him, he emerged carrying a socialist banner high, with an AK-47 on his right, and saying, in this question of subtotal repression, where everything seems to be going topsy-turvy, how can you succeed without a prayer? Because that those people have broken diplomatic relations with God, but they still pray and pray to our president, F.W. de Klerk. F.W. de Klerk is my shepherd. I mean, one, he maketh me to lie down the street corners. He disturbed my soul for apartheid's sake. For the day of his administration, I'll carry my AK-47 forever and ever. Ratata, ratata, ratata.
This celebration is not a celebration as usual, a business as usual. This guy, where's Jonathan? Come here, Jonathan. Quickly, 1 minute. We are running out of time. This is Jonathan, who's my studio manager and a poet on his own. That's the guy who knows the story of the guy who was talking here. When the mother was carrying him, declared Pitika, himself even came to my house and pushed my mother and knocked her head on a number 8 Dover, stove. And they threatened that when this guy comes out, he's going to be shot. By the time when he was